Please be aware that this video is strictly for informational purposes only and does not constitute any form of investment advice. Welcome to our detailed guide on crypto wallets and security, where we'll cover everything beginners and intermediate users need to know. Picture this. You wake up one morning to discover millions of dollars in cryptocurrency have vanished from your portfolio overnight. Tragic stories like this happen all too frequently in the crypto world. Today, join us as we uncover exactly how crypto wallets operate and equip you with vital knowledge to protect your digital assets effectively. Crypto wallets serve as essential tools for managing your digital assets. But contrary to popular belief, they don't physically store your cryptocurrency. Rather, they securely hold the private keys that serve as mathematical proof of your ownership over specific assets recorded on the immutable blockchain ledger. Let's begin with hot wallets, which remain constantly connected to the internet for seamless online access. They provide unmatched convenience for everyday users engaging in frequent transactions, much like keeping your spending cash readily available in your everyday wallet. However, this persistent online connectivity exposes hot wallets to a higher risk of cyber threats and hacking attempts from malicious actors. That's why they're best suited for holding only small amounts of crypto that you plan to use or trade regularly on a day-to-day basis. In contrast, cold wallets operate entirely offline, with no connection whatsoever to the internet, offering a fortress-like level of protection. Think of them as the equivalent of a heavily fortified bank vault designed specifically for safeguarding your most valuable long-term savings and investments. Cold wallets provide superior defense against remote online attacks and exploits, making them the go-to choice for securely storing substantial cryptocurrency holdings over extended periods. Yet, their offline nature sacrifices some convenience for those quick, spontaneous trades. But tell me, which type truly stands as completely hacker-proof in practice? Among the various cold wallet options, hardware wallets stand out as specialized physical devices, typically compact like a USB drive, engineered to keep your private keys stored safely offline at all times. These tangible gadgets bring an extra dimension of security through their isolated, air-gapped design. Hardware wallets demand physical handling and confirmation, such as pressing buttons or scanning fingerprints, before authorizing any transaction, creating an unbreachable additional security barrier. Meanwhile, software wallets function purely as downloadable applications running directly on your smartphone, tablet, or computer for easy digital access. Although software wallets shine in terms of everyday convenience and speed, they inherit all the potential security weaknesses inherent to the host device they're installed on, like malware infections. Custodial wallets, managed entirely by third-party services such as cryptocurrency exchanges, further shift control away from the user. Custodial setups deliver simplicity without the hassle of key management, but at the cost of you not holding direct control over your own private keys. Not your keys, not your crypto, as the saying goes. Non-custodial wallets restore full sovereignty to you, granting complete ownership while placing the entire burden of security squarely on your shoulders. When prioritizing security, always opt for hardware wallets to protect your larger holdings from potential threats. Above all, treat your seed phrase, that critical 12 to 24-word master recovery key, as sacred and never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone, not even family or support teams. Implement robust two-factor authentication using authenticator apps or hardware keys, steering clear of less secure SMS-based verification prone to SIM swapping attacks. Stay eternally vigilant against phishing schemes, where scammers craft deceptive emails, sites, or messages to dupe you into divulging your private keys or seed phrases. Craft strong, unique passwords for each wallet and account, incorporating a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, while diversifying across multiple wallet types to avoid single points of failure. Routinely update your wallet software and device operating systems to apply the latest security patches that close known vulnerabilities. Steer clear of conducting transactions over public Wi-Fi networks, which hackers can easily intercept and exploit. Before hitting send on any transfer, double and triple check the recipient's wallet address character by character, as blockchain transactions prove irreversible once confirmed. Among the most frequent blunders, users often deploy weak or reused passwords that crack easily under brute force attacks, alongside carelessly mishandling seed phrases by storing them digitally or sharing screenshots. Succumbing to cleverly disguised phishing scams ranks as another top peril, leading directly to drained wallets. Placing blind trust in exchange-managed custodial wallets or committing irreversible errors like sending funds to incorrect addresses can result in devastating, unrecoverable losses. Draw crucial lessons from infamous real-world breaches such as the Mt. Gox catastrophe and the Ronin network exploit. Back in 2014, the Mt. Gox exchange suffered a catastrophic hack that led to the theft of hundreds of thousands of bitcoins, valued at the time in billions of dollars, brutally exposing the inherent dangers of relying on centralized platforms for custody. Fast forward to 2022, when the Ronin network, powering popular blockchain games, fell victim to a sophisticated exploit via its bridges, resulting in thieves making off with over $600 million worth of cryptocurrency in one of the largest heists in history. These harrowing incidents powerfully remind us that while cryptocurrency unlocks tremendous financial potential and innovation, true success demands unwavering personal responsibility through continuous education, vigilant security practices, and proactive defense measures against evolving threats. Take decisive action today to fortify your crypto holdings and secure your financial future against these risks. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and not investment advice. Prioritize your safety and stay vigilant out there.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.